Auspicious good evening, Manana, present over here. Today we all are gathered here to speak about a topic, to debate about a topic, and our topic is which school is better, government school or private school. So I am in the favor of government schools. My dear friends, government schools are much better than the private schools because in our country we do not have that much scopes of study. But in government schools, my dear friends, in this era, many of the people are so poor that they cannot afford the fees of the private school. Who are highly educated private schools, they are not able to afford the fees. So to make their children's educated, they have to send their children to the government schools because they do not have any another scope to send their children to any private schools. The private schools have the fees more than 1,000 or 2,000. In the CBSE, let's suppose a CBSE school also have the fees more than 2,000 or 3,000. There is admission fees, and after that the exam fees and lots of fees, additional fees are there. So I think that uh, to keeping the point in view that many of the peoples in our country are poor. So I think that the government schools are better.
Well, good evening, everyone. So I am in the favor of private sector. So as you all know that in the government schools, the government are not paying much attention on the government schools. They are appointing many teachers on their schools, which are also well qualified, but the teachers are very irresponsible. They are not teaching the school students very well. And in the government school, poor think that their child would study well in the government school, but they don't know the dark reality of that school. So that the teachers are not paying any attention on that schools. But in private schools, we can see that there is a era of modern era where the private schools are. Private schools are paying attention to their students, so that as we all know, there is a race between the all the private schools, so that whose children and students are better in the studies. So they are paying attention on the students in the private school. And in the private school, there are many equipments like smart board, computers, and other things that are not provided in the government schools. And in this time, government does not want to pay attention and pay money on the government schools.
So very auspicious good evening to one another present over there. My name is Abhidhar and I am the student of class 9th. So today our debate topic is government school better or private school is better. So I think that government school is better because nowadays you all know that there are many poor peoples. There are many poor peoples comparing to the rich peoples because so that the poor people are joining the government school and becoming a successful person. Now you all know that government school slowly very developing, but private school fees is very high than the government school. This also change the joining the school in the Bageshwar.
So, a very auspicious good evening to one and all present over here. So, my debate topic is about private school are much better than government school. So, as you all know that nowadays parents want to give best to their children, and as in my opinion, the parents should go for the private school because private schools have very good facilities in each and every sector. The teachers of private school are not responsible like the teachers in government school. Teachers in government school does not pay attention to the student, and in private school, if the private school is taking high fees, but they are also giving the best facilities to the student to making themselves very good in their studies or in other sectors. In private school, we also get the opportunity to go outside from the school to represent our school. We can get better communication there, and we can get the best facilities like the lab facilities. In sports, we get the best equipments. So I think that without any thinking, the parents should choose the private schools.